Johnny Depp trial live. Pirates actor will return to stand as Amber Heard's sister, and Ellen Barkin testify. Warning. This article contains allegations of physical and sexual violence that some readers may find distressing. Court proceedings in the defamation trial opposing Johnny Depp and Amber Heard will be on hiatus this week. Judge Penney Azcarate is attending a conference and informed both parties and the jury of the break at the start of the trial. Heard is being sued by Depp for $50 million for implying he abused her in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed. Although she didn't name him, he claims her allegations impacted his ability to work. At the end of last week, both sides issued statements of confidence in how proceedings are going. Heard will continue giving testimony on the 16th of May. She has already spoken extensively about her troubled relationship with Depp and detailed alleged physical fights. The court heard a harrowing account of an alleged sexual assault on her during a brutal and bloody altercation in Australia in 2015. According to reporting by Law and Crime, Depp will also be called back to the witness stand as part of Heard's case. The jury will also hear from Whitney Henriquez, Heard's sister, and actor Ellen Barkin, with whom Depp had a brief relationship in the 1990s. Key points. Here's what attorneys say about the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard so far. Heard and Depp tell very different versions of Australia fight. Why is the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard trial on a break? The most damning things Depp has said about Heard. The most damning things Heard has said about Depp. Depp to return as witness when trial resumes in addition to Heard's sister and Ellen Barkin. Most explosive moment so far in star-studded Amber Heard defamation trial. Testimony has thus far painted a captivating and disturbing portrait of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's doomed marriage, laying bare their violent fights, drug use, and vicious words to each other. Here are some of the biggest moments so far. Most explosive trial moments so far from Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial. Over weeks of testimony, jury has heard from string of witnesses including couple's former marriage counselor, their friends and Depp himself. Testimony has painted captivating and disturbing portrait of actors' doomed marriage, laying bare violent fights, drug use, and vicious words to each other. Here are some of most dramatic moments so far. When can we expect a verdict in Johnny Depp's trial against Amber Heard? The trial in Depp's suit began on the 11th of April. The first 4 weeks of testimony have painted a harrowing portrait of the former couple's tumultuous relationship, as the jury heard testimony from both actors as well as a string of other people who knew them. Here's what comes next. When will there be a verdict in Johnny Depp's trial against Amber Heard? When will there be a verdict in Johnny Depp trial? Why is the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard trial on a break? The defamation trial between actors Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is taking a 10-day break from testimony, having begun on the 11th of April in Fairfax, Virginia following Mr. Depp's lawsuit against his ex-wife in March 2019. The trial will resume on the 16th of May at 9 a.m. Why is that? Why is the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard trial on a break? Scheduling conflict leads to pause in proceedings midway through Heard testimony. Most damning things Johnny Depp said about Amber Heard at their defamation trial. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have both made damning claims about the other during the proceedings in Virginia, with both leveling allegations of both verbal and physical abuse. Over the course of 3.5 days on the witness stand, Mr. Depp testified at length about alleged physical and verbal abuse he sustained at Ms. Heard's hands, as well as her drug and alcohol use. Here's a rundown of some of the most damning things Mr. Depp testified about Ms. Heard. Most damning things Johnny Depp said about Amber Heard at their defamation trial. Depp testified at length about alleged physical and verbal abuse he sustained at Heard's hands, as well as her drug and alcohol use. Most damning things Amber Heard has said about Johnny Depp at defamation trial. Warning. This article contains allegations of physical and sexual violence that some readers may find distressing. Amber Heard is halfway through her time on the witness stand in the defamation case opposing her and Johnny Depp in Virginia. Mr. Depp was heard as a witness first, and Ms. Heard took the stand on the 4th of May. Her testimony resumed on the 5th of May. Here are the most damning parts of her testimony so far. Most damning things Amber Heard has said about Johnny Depp at defamation trial. Ms. Heard says Mr. Depp subjected her to sexual, physical, and verbal violence. Why Amber Heard's defamation trial is being held in Virginia. The explosive defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is unfolding well outside their normal Hollywood orbit at a court in Fairfax County, Virginia. Here's why. Why the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard defamation trial is being held in Virginia. Washington Post computer servers allowed Depp lawyers to sue in Commonwealth. Is the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard trial on today? Is Johnny Depp's trial against Amber Heard in court today? Proceedings are in recess until the 16th of May. What we know about Amber Heard's career, background and family life. While Amber Heard's tumultuous relationship with Johnny Depp has made headlines, the 36-year-old is an actor, activist, and model in her own right, writes Parkle. What we know about Amber Heard's career, background and family life. While her tumultuous relationship with Johnny Depp has made headlines, the 36-year-old is an actor, activist, and model in her own right. Wildly different accounts of 2015 Australia fight from Depp and Heard. Warning. This article contains allegations of physical and sexual violence that some readers may find distressing. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have both testified about what they each allege happened during a violent incident in Australia in early 2015, when the latter actor severed his finger. Here's what they said in court. What Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have each said about fight where he severed finger. Alleged violent incident unfolded in Australia in 2015 and has been key part of defamation trial. Voices. The bizarre parasocial fans of the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard trial. Outside the Fairfax courthouse where the Depp v. Heard defamation trial is taking place, a long line of public spectators snakes around the block. Only 100 spectator wristbands are available from 7 a.m. each morning and are highly coveted. Offers to buy the bands off people who have procured them are common. One Johnny Depp superfan, Avonda Bower, said in an interview with 60 Minutes Australia that she would take a bullet for Johnny, and described how she arrives at the courthouse at 1 a.m. every morning to secure her spot behind the actor. Another Depp fan brings alpacas to the courthouse in hopes of raising the actor's spirits. The bizarre parasocial fans of the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard trial. Within hours of a makeup company posting about the trial on TikTok, a Johnny Depp fan turned up at the courthouse in Virginia to hand-deliver evidence to Depp's lawyers. Another brings alpacas to Fairfax every day in the hope of raising the actor's spirits.